What's up everyone? Welcome to the Jeans Warehouse YouTube channel. My name is Cassie. Today we're going to be doing the Fashion Sabotage Challenge. So we're going to have our models Destiny, Madoka, and Taylor compete to complete the best outfit. They're going to be playing 10 rounds of quick games where the winner gets to choose an item for their final look, or if they want to sabotage someone else's outfit. However, they do want to have an outfit because we are going out in public. At the end, we will have our Instagram followers vote for their favorite and least favorite outfit. Winner and runner-up has to wear their outfit to Starbucks while the loser orders their drink in a trash bag dress. Sister.
Oh, fashion habits for less at Jeans Warehouse. What? How did you get what? That was so long.
That's the thing. What would Madoka do to me?
I won't sabotage. I wouldn't sabotage anything. So she's gonna sabotage me.
Okay, good.
This is my basic top. Can't go wrong with basic.
It's like what? Ready and begin. Oh my god. Oh,
Shopping. Stealing. 5-finger discount. Shady. Prisoner. Shopper. Broke. Just kidding.
You get it right.
Stealing. With a V, so they're like high. Shoplifter.
Huh?
Shoplifter?
Yes.
Awful, I see your face. What?
No, you're like, should I sabotage them?
No, I'm looking at my
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Breathe.
Oh, wait.
Your word is rack.
Stack.
Flock.
Okay, let's go.
Snack.
Track.
Jack.
Back.
Black.
Smack.
Sack.
Tack.
Black.
Oh!
I gave clothes.
Oh, sorry.
Or a shirt.
Oh, thank you.
I'm not naked anymore.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
And go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh shit. Wait, I don't have any balls.
Here. Oh! Yeah. Your category is cities in Oahu.
Honolulu.
Kapolei.
Waina. Kaneohe.
Pearl City. Hello.
Oh
wait. No, that's sorry.
Keep
That's
going.
not my
One.
side. I don't know.
Taylor.
Mililani.
Aiea.
Kailua.
Kaneohe.
Taylor wins!
Yes!
Thank God! Okay.
It's
Your word is love.
Girl, I'm in love with you, babe. I love you. I was gonna do I love you. You
That's
love
good.
me. Let me love that bitches as a fucking problem. Love on the brain. Love bug again.
Yeah!
Are we getting good? I really like that song. My girl, she loves me.
Oh!
Love salsa. One love. Nope, I'm done. Loving you is all that Yay, Taylor!
Get set, go!
It's caught in my hair.
Oh! You got one! Oh, you got one!
Oh.
Oh, oh!
She's so sure.
It's a trash bag.
What is that?
Oh my god! This is horrible!
Thank you.